It's a great pleasure. I'm here at Warwick Machine Tools with Ian. Now, Ian, it's been quite a journey for Warwick Machine Tools because you guys have been supplying EDM solutions since 1978 in the UK and Ireland, and this fantastic 7,500 square meterage building that you've got here in Droitwich is a bit of the future. Tell us a little bit about the expansion here.
Well, we'd outgrown the previous premises over in Kenilworth, which the business had been there for over 15 years. And since we've taken on the Excetek range of machine tools just over 10 years ago, we've gradually built on the success of the brand with Excetek, mainly on the Warwick range of machines that they offer, and we outgrown it. We're stocking a lot more machines ready for very quick turnaround deliveries, and we needed more space, and we've expanded the sales team and also our engineers over the last 12-18 months, and it was the logical step to get to bigger premises to show off the range of machines.
Now, you tell me that there's over 130 machines in the field now, and as I've seen with a lot of your customers in the UK and Ireland, the wire machine has been the most common machine that you've actually started to sell, but also the die sinkers now as well.
Yeah, this year we sold just 4 die sinking machines. Excetek had upgraded their range of die sinkers. They've just done another software upgrade on that range as well. We're waiting for showroom machine to come in the new year. And we see that the customers that have had that have been very pleased with it, and it's been a very successful introduction into the range of machines that Excetek can offer.
And tell me a little bit about the industries that are buying into Excetek from the UK and Ireland.
Well, it's across all industries. We've got them in motorsport, aerospace, general engineering, tool making. They fit in right across the whole depth and breadth of engineering generally. We've got a lot of customers have had one and then come back and taken the second and third, and we've got certain companies which have got multiple machines.
Over the last few years, Ian, I've visited some of your customers in the UK and Ireland, and one thing a lot of them tell me is that it's not just about the machine, the quality versus the cost, but also the quick turnaround that you can actually supply.
Yeah, I mean, what we've done over the years is held a quantity of stock machines available for very quick turnaround times to meet people's requirements. We all know things move very, very quickly. Contracts and businesses run very, very quickly in this industry. We're able to support it with our own service engineers that cover the UK. We hold our own parts for backup service for next day delivery. And the brand has grown tremendously in the last 5 to 6 years.
And obviously, selling some of the die sinkers into the marketplace, that takes you into slightly a different area than just wire. Do you feel that market will grow for you as well?
Yes, most definitely. I mean, Excetek have developed a die sinking range of machines. We've started selling it in the last 12 months. We've been very successful in Ireland, but there's a quantity of machines gone over there. We've got interest in the UK. We're having a stock machine arriving in the new year. The software grades up on the controls to make it to the next generation, and so far so good.
So really, I think the message out into the UK and Irish market is that a lot of your sales have been new business. So therefore, what do you actually offer to customers if they are looking for an EDM solutions? Are you quite happy for them to visit the facility here? Obviously, the engineers come to talk about the applications that they can help with as well.
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, certainly now with the better facilities we've got here, we can do trial cuts and trial work pieces for customers just to see the quality of the finish that these machines deliver. We've also got applications now that we can offer customer support long term. We're here to hold, as you say, a lot of people are buying these as first time machines. We're able to support them by training here or on site and ongoing training and getting them used to EDM. As you say, 50% of our business is most probably new customers, 50% is existing. So we're trying to grow the market and support the customers who are coming into this kind of environment.
So really the future's looking bright here at Warwick Machine Tools, the investment here at Droitwich, obviously with more space and obviously more machines coming in.
Yeah, we've got over 14 machines due to come in the new year. That will fill up the warehouse and keep customers happy for 2022.